Every week, most people lose time doing work that does not actually move their life or business forward. They write emails. They summarize documents. They repeat the same tasks again and again. What changed everything for me was not working harder. It was letting AI take over the parts of my week that never needed to be human in the first place. In this video, I am going to walk you through 5 AI tools I personally use that save me over 10 hours every single week. No hype, no futuristic nonsense, no tools that only work in demos. Just practical AI tools that replace real work. And as we go through each one, I will explain what problem it replaces, how much time it realistically saves, and who should be using it. Let's start with the tool that quietly eliminates the most wasted time of all. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. If you use AI at all, this is where the time savings begin, but only if you're using it correctly. Most people treat ChatGPT like a smarter Google. That's why they don't save time. I use it as a thinking replacement system. What it replaces: writing emails from scratch, drafting documents, brainstorming ideas, explaining complex topics, rewriting and editing content. How it saves time: instead of staring at a blank page, I give ChatGPT clear instructions and let it do the heavy lifting. For example, emails that used to take 15 minutes now take 2. Long explanations become short summaries in seconds. First drafts appear instantly, not after procrastination on average. This alone saves 3 to 4 hours every week. Real-world use case: if you write, communicate, or think for a living, this tool replaces friction. But the real power comes when ChatGPT feeds into the next tools. Tool number 2, Perplexity. Most of your time is not lost writing. It's lost searching, scrolling through articles, opening 10 tabs, trying to figure out what's trustworthy. Perplexity replaces that entire process. What it replaces: Google searches, blog skimming, manual research, source checking. How it saves time: Perplexity gives you direct answers with sources attached. Instead of spending 30 minutes researching a topic, I ask one question. I get a structured answer. I see the sources immediately. This turns half-hour research sessions into 5-minute tasks. Weekly savings if you research even lightly. This saves 2+ hours every week. Best use cases: content creators, students, business owners, anyone who makes decisions from information. Perplexity removes uncertainty, which means faster action. Tool number 3, Canva. Design work is one of the biggest time traps. Even when you're not a designer, you still need thumbnails, presentations, social graphics, documents that don't look amateur. Canva replaces both designers and design thinking. What it replaces: Photoshop for basic needs, hiring designers for simple tasks, reformatting visuals. How it saves time: with AI-assisted design, you start with templates. AI adjusts layouts, text, images, and spacing are handled instantly. What used to take an hour now takes 10 minutes. Weekly savings for creators and businesses. This saves 1.5 to 2 hours weekly. Canva also connects naturally with AI scripts and voiceovers, which brings us to automation. Tool number 4, Zapier. This is the tool that works when you're not working. Zapier connects your apps and lets AI trigger actions automatically. What it replaces: manual data entry, repetitive admin tasks, copy-pasting between apps. How it saves time: examples: new content automatically saved to documents, leads copied into spreadsheets, notifications sent without manual input. Once a workflow is set up, it runs silently. Weekly savings: even simple automations save 2 to 3 hours per week. The more consistent your work, the more time this saves. Tool number 5, Notion. The final time drain most people ignore is disorganization. Notion, paired with AI, replaces scattered notes, documents, and planning tools. What it replaces: notes apps, to-do lists, project trackers, knowledge loss. How it saves time: with AI inside Notion, notes are summarized, tasks are generated automatically, information is retrieved instantly. No searching, no remembering where things are. Weekly savings: this saves 1 hour or more, simply by removing friction. Total time saved: let's add it up. ChatGPT, 3 to 4 hours. Perplexity, 2 hours. Canva, 1.5 to 2 hours. Zapier, 2 to 3 hours. Notion, 1 hour. That's 10+ hours saved every week. Not by rushing, but by removing unnecessary effort. Time is the only resource you can't refill. AI doesn't replace your value. It protects it. If you're still doing everything manually, you're paying with your time. All the tools mentioned are linked below. Start with one. Automate one task. Then let AI take back your week. If you find this information useful, kindly hit the subscribe button for more.